Hello friends, Dr. Dhawan here. So last 15 days before we sit down and write the final exam of NEET PG, and few humble suggestions. Number one, these 15 days are not meant to evaluate yourself. The evaluation can be endless and the comparison can be lethal. Everyone is on his or her own journey. That journey belongs to them. They may be better, you may be lesser in some subject. You may be better in some subject, they may be lesser in other subjects. But that's really the not the point of concern at this juncture. The point of concern at this juncture is how much data we'll be able to see one or two times quickly before we reach 18th April. So my invitation to all of you will be to pick up your notes because you have been really highlighting them here and there with beautiful colors because you thought one day you will revise these data points before you finally sit down and write the exam. And this is the time. So pick up the notes, see the high yield areas of your notes, focus on them, try to, have a very deep impression in your brain before, finish that subject, create that concept once again in your mind quickly, because you have to see 19 subjects, main points once again. And believe me, this time will be really helpful to you because whatever data you'll be seeing in these 15 days now will be going to really shine in your brain the moment you see the paper on 18th of April. This paper is not subjective, it is objective. There'll be a data written in front of you in the form of a question, and below that there are four choices, and there is some data in your brain which you have been filling in all these months, and you have to think, evaluate, and match the data given on the screen with the data filled up in your brain actually. So if we revise the key content of the data once again in these 15 days, believe me, there's a high probability we'll be able to overlap this data in a very correct manner. Okay, so what you should be doing in these 15 days really is your own idea. Do not look up to anyone and decide which way is the right way. Your way is the right way. You know what can really yield the best for you on 18th of April, and stick to that plan. Okay, so whatever plan you have adopted by now, it is absolutely fine. Do not really go here and there and really ask who is doing what. Let's be fully focused on every day so that we are able to generate 13 to 14 hour output. And that output is really going to be priceless, let me tell you, because whatever data you will be revising in these 15 days is going to be immensely fresh in your brain. Okay, but keep the mobile phone off during revision. Most of the day your mobile phone should be off. Please stay away from social media, any channels, any Telegram channels, etc. In between, you switch on your mobile for an hour and just see the critical thing in case somebody has put as an update or anything like that. But do not really have too much distraction in these days now, because we cannot afford to do that. We cannot afford to do that. Okay, so the aim of the game is only one. Let's keep on doing our best. We should not later on feel, I wish I would have done that. I wish I would have really, studied that in last 15, 20 days, and really that would have helped me. This is the time. Let's invest in this time properly, and may God bless our hard work. Any anxiety, any negative feeling about exam is perfectly normal phenomenon. We can kill that negative feeling by only telling it to ourselves, let me do my best and let's forget the rest. Let's leave the rest to Almighty to decide. Whatever will happen on 18th April, we'll accept it, but we are going to do our level best. So let's invest these 15 days properly. Thank you very much. Good luck to everyone. Best wishes.